Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To not fix or how to solve the app of Google Drive, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Google Drive. Then we'll enter to force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.